Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Shein account on your Shein mobile device app. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Shein app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As you open up the app, you will land on the shop section. Now in order to log into your account, you'll have to go to the bottom right corner that says me. As you go to bottom right corner, on the upper section, you can see an option that says sign in or register. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, now in order to sign in, all you have to do is you'll have to enter your email address and then your password. So here on this section, enter your email address, and after that, enter the password. After doing this, tap on the sign in button and wait for a certain while. And then when you go to the Me section again, you'll be able to see that you have gotten logged into your account. So it's quite a simple process and it takes you a very short period of time. If you fill in the correct credentials, make sure that you fill in the correct necessary information that is required to log in. I hope that this video has been able to help you out. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Do let us know in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.